Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this video guys, we'll take a look at SuperSonicHost. Now, essentially guys, this is a brand new web hosting solutions that will allow you guys to host unlimited websites and host unlimited domains using an ultra fast servers for low one-time price. There's no monthly payment. Now, I would suggest you guys to purchase this or to get this if you would only use this for your own personal use. But if you would use this into your client's website, I would not recommend you guys to do this because you need an ongoing support, right? And I'm not saying that Mosh doesn't provide you a support, but they're not a hosting company. They just sell this hosting or web hosting solution for online marketers. Now, if you would, if you are a web design agency or website developer, you wanted to sell website services to your clients, then I would not recommend you to do this because you need an ongoing support. If something happens to the website, you need an ongoing support for your hosting, especially for the backups, right? So yeah, this is I would suggest this if you would use this for affiliate marketing or in your own personal business. All right. So yeah, just like I said, you can host unlimited websites and domains. Right now, if you guys would purchase this guys through my link, I am an affiliate of this, and if you would purchase it through my link, I'm gonna give you guys access into my custom-made bonuses right here. So when you guys click that link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you to my bonus page right here. And we scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you can get access guys to all of my custom made bonuses that would really help you guys out a lot. Alright, my bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access guys to the exact assets that I use. This is essentially 5 million website assets. So if you create website, if you will build website, you'll be able to access guys to 5 million high definition 4K stack images, 4K stack videos, GIFs, memes, animations, and much more. Right, this is a 5 million plus assets that you can basically access in the cloud. You don't need to download this on your computer because you'll be accessing this in a different platform. All right, so that is my bonus number 1. Next bonus for you guys is 3-in-1 email marketing software to automate your online business. So you can send out unlimited emails. You can automate your affiliate marketing business. You can also automate your social media account using this. You can send out an SMS or text messages using this software. Alright, and then next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you guys access into this digital product creator, which is the exact tool that they are using guys to create their product cover, their product design. Like if you take a look at their sales page right here, from creating this graphics right here, this devices right here, this is the exact software that they're using guys to edit this kind of backshots and product markup bundle, and this is in the cloud, so you don't need to download this on your computer. And this is a premium software, by the way guys. This is not one of those crappy product, and you can save hundreds of dollars because if you would purchase it separately, it would cost you a monthly payment. But with this, I'm gonna give you access to into this software for 100% free for life. Alright, so yeah, that is my bonus number 3. And then my bonus number 4 is I'm gonna give you access into this AI software that will help you guys write any kind of content for your website. You can write an article, a blog post, and emails. It can be anything guys. You can command the software to write you anything, right? And you can write an SEO and SEO optimized content, and you can publish that content without you having to pay for expensive tools like Jasper, Write Sonic, or other AI copywriting software, right? So that is my bonus number 4. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this in this bonus. And then my bonus number 5, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact software that I'm currently using right now, which is a landing page and funnel building software. Essentially, this is an all-in-one platform. You can also send out unlimited emails with this. You can create squeeze pages, landing pages, and you can build your email list, most especially with this bonus right here. And then last bonus, guys, is all vendor bonuses, right? So yeah, those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you guys would love to pick up SuperSonicHost through the link down in the description of this video. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page right here of the Supersonic. The headline says brand new 2023 focus Google supported octa-core hosting technology in the world to host unlimited websites and domains using an ultra fast servers for a low one-time price, right? And this comes with premium cloud-based high-speed servers for ultra-fast loading speeds. Get unlimited hosting or get unlimited bandwidth, 99.8% uptime. This also comes with end-to-end SSL, encryption, which is really important, guys, to make your website secured. Now, if you're using WordPress, you create website using WordPress, there's also a one-click WordPress installer, and this comes with advanced DDoS protection, to prevent hackers. All right, and transfer existing sites to create a new one, and then you can stop paying those monthly payment for those expensive tools out there. You can manage everything from one easy to use central dashboard, and then zero tech skills and support. And then this comes with 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can always refund your money. And this is only, guys, $17. And if you don't like the software, if you don't like the hosting, if you don't like the quality, you can always refund your money and still be able to get access, guys, to all of my bonuses right here completely free of charge. All right, so yeah, and by the way, guys, there are some upsells, guys. You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here. So this is where you learn those upsells for the front end. Just like I said a while ago, this is only $17. You never have to pay for a monthly payment. And then there's an upsell right here. Upsell number 1 is the premium version of this. Upsell number 2 is the max. Next one is cloud. Next one is done for you. I'm gonna try to put an information of these upsells because I don't have access yet into the JB document, but I'm gonna try to put that somewhere around to each of these upsells right here. That way you can see what you'll be getting if you would upsell or upgrade your account. And yeah, and then next one is this web conversions. Next one is SEO edition, and the last one is reseller license. All right, so yeah, those are all of the upsells, guys. And then I'm gonna play a demo video for you guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know, and I'm gonna try my best to answer all of your questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. In this short video, you're about to discover a brand new revolutionary technology to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secured servers for a crazy one-time price. Yes, you got that right. We're about to lift the curtains on a super fast and ultra-secured website hosting platform that loads your websites in the blink of an eye with no monthly fees and no annual fees ever. So, if you are a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena, you better not miss out even a single second of this video, as I have got some great news for you today. Presenting SonicHost, brand new 2023 focused and Google supported octa-core hosting technology to host unlimited websites and domains using ultra-fast servers for a low one-time price. All you need to do is to follow 3 steps. Log in to your SonicHost and enter your domain names. Transfer existing website domains to start fresh with new domain names. Unlimited numbers of domains and websites can be hosted without any restrictions. Number 2, setup. Install WordPress on any domain in seconds. With our simple step-by-step instructions, get sites live in minutes even if you have never set up a website before. Plus, our end-to-end SSL encryption, free SSL certificates, and advanced DDoS security mean that all sites offer the best available protection against hackers and dangerous malware. Number 3, access. Easily manage all websites. Take the complexity out of website management with our ultra simple user interface that's designed for the total tech novice. And unlimited money making sites can be hosted with zero restrictions or add-on fees. Here are some of the amazing features you get with SonicHost. Premium cloud-based high-speed servers for ultra-fast loading speed and Skyrocket conversions. Host unlimited websites and domains with zero limitations. Get unlimited bandwidth to boost website performance with zero monthly or yearly investment. 100% uptime guaranteed at no extra cost. End-to-end SSL encryption to ensure 100% website safety. One-click WordPress installer to get new sites live in minutes. Advanced DDoS protection to disarm potential hackers. Transfer existing sites or create new ones in a flash. Stop paying through the nose on money-sucking hosting companies forever. Manage everything from one easy-to-use central dashboard. Premium 24/7 round-the-clock expert guidance and support. Remember, SonicHost is perfect for you if you're a business owner, service, or success-hungry marketer. You want to get your websites loaded like a rock. You're willing to avoid paying a hefty monthly fee to third-party hosting platforms. You're hating to lose customers owing to slow loading websites. You want to be safe and not paying huge ransoms to hackers in return for your websites. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0. So be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy of SonicHost today, you get premium bonuses that are priceless for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid money-back guarantee. There is no risk whatsoever attached. You will also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game changer and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget, this is a limited time offer and will be taken down at any moment in time. So don't wait, hit the button below and get instant access to SonicHost right now. Good luck and we look forward to help you build your business and beyond.